Raindrops fall like tears from the sky. They tell the truth I can't deny. Each one carries the weight I feel, a quiet pain that time won't heal. Raindrops never lie, they always fall, washing away the silence of it all. Every drop whispers what's been erased, the pieces of love I can't replace. The storm outside reflects my soul, a raging sea I can't control. I stand beneath the pouring gray, hoping the rain will take it away. Raindrops never lie, they always fall, washing away the silence of it all. Every drop whispers what's been erased, the pieces of love I can't replace. Raindrops fall, and so do I. Underneath this weeping sky, they speak the truth I can't deny. Raindrops never lie. Raindrops never lie. Raindrops fall, and so do I. Underneath this weeping sky, they speak the truth I can't deny. Raindrops never lie.